In this video, I'll show you how to fix Western Union error code C2002 step by step. By the way, if you run a business, Western Union probably isn't the best option for you. But I'll explain more about that later in the video. In order to fix Western Union error code C2002, one of the first things you should check is your internet connection. Make sure that your internet connection is stable and working properly, because an unstable or weak connection can sometimes cause transaction errors on online platforms. If your connection seems slow or keeps disconnecting, try restarting your router or reconnecting your device to the network. You can also reset your network settings on your device if necessary to make sure everything is functioning correctly. Another important step is to verify the server status of Western Union. Sometimes the issue may not be from your side at all and could be happening because Western Union servers are temporarily unavailable or undergoing maintenance. In such cases, the best option is to check if their services are currently down and simply wait until the servers are working normally again before trying the transaction once more. You should also make sure that your Western Union account is fully verified and that all the required information is correctly updated. If any of your personal details are missing, outdated, or not verified, it may prevent transactions from going through and trigger an error code like C22. Reviewing your profile information and confirming that everything is accurate can often help resolve the issue. Another option you can try is using a different payment method. Sometimes a specific payment method may fail due to restrictions or temporary issues. You can attempt the transaction using alternative options such as a credit card, debit card, bank transfer, or even an in-person payment if that option is available to you. If you are accessing Western Union through a browser, clearing your browser cache and cookies can also help. Temporary files stored in the browser can sometimes interfere with how websites function. Removing the cache and cookies can refresh the site data and may fix temporary glitches that could be causing the error. You may also try using the Western Union mobile app instead of the website, or switch to a different browser if you are currently using one. Sometimes the issue can be related to browser compatibility or temporary browser problems, and switching platforms can make the transaction work smoothly. If none of these steps solve the problem, the best thing to do is contact Western Union customer support. Their support team can check your account and transaction details more closely and provide further assistance to help resolve the error. Western Union is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Western Union offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.